Hi guys, I'm back with another video today. It's been a long time since I posted, almost this summer I think. I just got a frame for free along with a pair of rusted cranks. The frame is rusted, and I'm going to be, over the course of this month, going to be building this bike up with some custom parts. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple steps in the making of it. So these are the first steps in it. So this is like the first stage where I just got it. As you can see, there's rust on the frame, there's scratches on the frame, and there's also rust on the mid bottom bracket and on the crank arms. But I did get this bike for free, and that is why I took it. I'm very happy that I got it, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to clean a bit of the rust off, and then we can just clean it off, and then you'll see we'll do a little bit of cleaning. You can see how it turns out. I'm going to grab the Allen keys so that I can just quickly take off the seat clamp so that we can put the seat on. That is one of the first things that you should do whenever washing frame, like on a bike. It's very essential. So I'm just gonna open up the garage real quickly. Alright, cool. So now we are in the garage, and we're gonna grab these Allen keys. So where are they? I think right here. I'm sorry for this, guys, for making you guys see me grabbing the Allens, and I should edit it out, but I'm lazy and I don't really want to edit it out. Alright, cool. So now we're out of the garage and we got the Allen keys. So we're gonna take the seat off and we're gonna start cleaning the bike. Keys. Those are the Allen keys. Okay, so the first step in cleaning this bike off is to take the seat off. I think we need a 6 to take the seat off, or the clamp off. Now we need a 5. That's small. A little bit larger than this. Maybe this one. There we go. Alright, perfect. So now we've loosened the clamp. We're gonna take this seat out. By the way, this bike has been sitting for I don't know how many days, so it's not gonna want to do. It's been sitting outside on my friend's property. Hasn't been used, like, literally forever. Oh. Alright, so we got the seat post out, and that is a rusted seat post. Damn. Alright, so quick look at the frame. Seat post off. Let's see if it's rusted inside. A little bit rusted. Nothing some WD-40 can't fix. To de-rust it. Okay, so now I'm going to be washing it. Also, this is pretty nice. It has an Odyssey clamp, which is really nice, and felt, which you've never heard of before because it was a really old bike company back around in 2012, 2010. It's a big company in 2010 and 2012, but it really died down, and it was unheard of by 2014. No one knows what the heck that is anymore. But they made really good bikes, and they lasted a while too. I think that was a good a benefit to having them. But the problem was with their bikes, they were really heavy, and in 2014 the market was looking for bikes that were lightweight, and they couldn't offer lightweight bikes, so people weren't gonna buy them, and they didn't. And what happened is the market for lightweight bikes went up, and for heavy bikes like the Felts, they just died down, and sadly no one bought their product. And also it's sad because these quality bike companies, they just can't make a light bike. And that's a problem, as people just stop hearing from them. It's really sad what happens to these great bike companies. I think it's rusted quite a bit. There's a bearings in there. The one thing about this is it's integrated top tube and sealed mid bottom bracket, but I have to buy a new bottom bracket for it. You know, it was really worth it because it's free, and it's awesome for being free. It's a Haro. It is a chromo down tube, and it's a 20.5 top tube. It's a little bit lighter than my bike frame. Not by much though. Basically what I'm going to be doing is after I clean this off, I'm going to be purchasing some paint stripper, and I'm going to raw this bike. I'm having my own bike to raw. I brought a bike, my friend's bike, who gave this to me. Well, not really anymore, but my old friend who gave this to me, he got a felt, and we rawed that using paint stripper, and we kind of were just experimenting with it because it was a really beaten up bike and we didn't care about it anymore, so we were experimenting with it to see like what we could do to make it look good again. And we found this paint stripper and we used it, and it turns out that like that's how people are rawing bikes, that they're just they're using paint stripper. But that's the problem, people aren't actually using paint stripper, because what they're using is they're just sandpapering it down, and it's not good, because it's like it takes way more effort. You can just buy paint stripper at Home Depot, but you have to buy the good quality one. Don't buy the citrus. If you're gonna raw a bike, don't buy the citrus paint stripper, because that stuff is shitty and it does not work whatsoever. Yeah. Most of the rust is actually coming off quite well on this. I didn't really expect it to come off so easily, but no, never expected good things in life. It's coming off quite easy. I'm happy about that. Alright, so now I'm going to be using this brush just to kind of eliminate some of the rust off of the bike. And also apologizing if you can't actually see the bike in this frame. I'm not too sure if you can. But I'll show it to you in a couple minutes. That's right. It's been sitting for so long. Literally. It hasn't been touched in like years. Because what happened is my friend got a bike, a Sabrosa, and this was his second bike. It was really crappy. Well, like I said, not really crappy, but like it got rusted out. But he turned it into a nice bike. He got the felt that we rode. He had that, and then the forks on this stripped out, and he completely gave up on this bike. Like completely. Left it out in the yard to rust away. He used a Sabrosa that he bought for $800, which was a complete. So it was kind of a rip-off because it was $800 for a complete. Like, who buys a complete for $800? I mean, you can, but like, is it really worth buying a complete for $800? Because what you can do is you can just buy an integrated head tube or whatever, you know, whatever frame, some like relatively light frame or some like not too heavy frame, and you can just like a complete, and you can just build it up. That's what I did, and my bike is kick-ass. I love my bike. But yeah, so like people don't learn what to do. You don't buy an $800 complete. I mean, I don't suggest buying an $800 complete because after you have to deal with the fact that if the complete lasts or if you like how to take care of it, like it's gonna cost you money to take care of it. Just an all around pain in the ass that I wouldn't want to deal with. So the spindle's actually spinning quite well. Oh, that was loud. It's spinning quite well. For like, I don't think I need a new bottom bracket. So when I clean these off, they're actually pretty nice. Yeah. Alright, so this is a Hara 20.5 that I will be running. I just want to post a quick little video just to show you guys step one of a little project bike that we got here. I'll be taking all the parts that I had, like the stock parts and the stuff that I replaced on my bike, and putting the stock parts on this bike. So building up this bike, having it like as a second bike, not my main. So like if I want to ride in the street or whatever, I can use this and not have to worry about damaging my like amazing bike that I love. But yeah, so just a quick little video I wanted to update you guys with. On that note, I'm gonna say good night to you guys, or good morning, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Drop a like, or subscribe if you'd like to, for more BMX videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.